formula is same. Second one is position isomer. Position of functional group is changed. Molecule formula is the same. In all definition, there will be one statement common, molecule formula is same. If it is chain isomer, then the branch will convert into linear or linear will convert into bath. That is alkyl. Only alkyl group. While in branch and linear is changed, that it is the position of functional group change. So that is position isomer. Difference between these two, here is also converted into alkyl in branch. Here is also converted into functional group in branch. So position of functional group is changed. You cannot change the alkyl group in position isomer. You must change the position of functional group in organic compound. That is the position isomer. Now it is clear. Ready. Now discussing another two isomers. This is very easy, very simple. Can understand very easily. Just revise my video lecture, watch my video lecture continuously and digest the topic very easily. So third one is, as per the formula, we have completed skeleton or chain isomer, then position isomers, S skeleton oblique C chain, P F M T position isomers, functional group isomers, metamerism and tautomerism, that I am continuously revising you. You just remember the formula S oblique C P F M T, Provident Fund Machine Tools, P Provident, F Fund, M Machine, T Tools. Simple sentence, you just remember, you can easily remember the total classification of structural isomerism. Now third one is what? Functional group isomerism. Functional group isomerism. Same definition, molecule formula is same. But functional group will change. One functional group will convert into another functional group. That is important. So we are having the functional group isomerism. We will have one example, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This is the carbon 3, hydrogen 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 8, hydrogen 8 and oxygen 1. This is propane 1 all. So in this example, there is alcohol functional group. OH means alcohol functional group. Now the molecule formula will be the same, but the functional group will change. So we are having the another example of this. This is the isomers CH3, O, CH2 and CH3. You just count again the number of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Carbon 1, 2, 3, carbon 3, hydrogen 3, 2, 5, 3, 8, hydrogen 8, oxygen 1. This is ether. So from alcohol we have converted ether. This is ether. Means alcohol functional group is changed to ether and molecule formula is not changed. This is methoxyethane. The name of this one is methoxyethane. Molecule formula is same, but functional group is changed. You just see, here is ether, this is alcohol. It means alcohol is converted into ether. It means the functional group is changed. Second one, this example, second one, CH3, CH2, CHO, suppose. This is propanol. This is aldehyde. Functional group is aldehyde. Carbon 3, 1, 2, 3, hydrogen 3, 2, 5, 1, 6, hydrogen 6, and oxygen 1. You can change this same molecule formula to another functional group. This is CH3, CO, CH3. Carbon 1, 2, 3, carbon 3, hydrogen 3, 3, 6, hydrogen 6, oxygen 1, oxygen 1. This is propane 2 1. Propane 2 1. It means aldehyde is converted into ketone. Aldehyde is converted into ketone. It means the molecule formula is same, but the functional group is changed. Third one example is also possible. CH3, CH2, COOH. Carbon 1, 2, 3, carbon 3, hydrogen 3, 2, 5, 1, 6, hydrogen 6, and oxygen 2. Oxygen 2. This is the molecule formula. You can change this. This is propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Change into ester. CH3, COO, CH3. Carbon 1, 2, 3, carbon 3, hydrogen 3, 3, 6, hydrogen 6, O2, O2. This is the methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. It means carboxylic acid is converted into ester. This is the same molecule formula, but the functional group is changed. Here alcohol is converted into ether. Alcohol is converted into ether. Here aldehyde is converted into ketone. So what is the simple method to remember? In all this functional group, just the change of place of hydrogen. Just the change of place of hydrogen. Simple. You can easily remember. Let's discuss in brief. Let's see. You can check over here. All molecule formula are different. There will be not the same molecule formula in all these three different examples. Let's see. How can we easily remember and how can we easily check that this isomerism is to be identified very easily? So we are having example CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Ready? Alcohol is converted into ether. So just change the place of hydrogen. Hydrogen will transfer over here, CH3O, CH2, CH3. Means we are having the change the place of hydrogen, and oxygen is also transfer. So this is the ether, then it is methoxyethane, then alcohol will convert into ether. Same way we are having CH3, CH2, we are having the example of ketone, aldehyde to ketone CHO, and we are having CH3, CO, CH3. Just change the place of hydrogen, then CO remain. So aldehyde to ketone. And we are having three example that is related to another for the carboxylic acid to ester. So CH3COOH, CH3CH2 COH, then H will transfer over here, then we are having CH3COO CH3. This is propanoic acid, this is methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. It means carboxylic acid to ester. So just you concentrate over here. You just delete one hydrogen from the, this is the functional group OH.